Boing. Oh, not again. Mommy. Can you stop acting like that? Like, stop. I know Gus can be better than this. Okay, maybe not better, but still. Oh no! Okay, Pup, what is it? I want to go camping. Well, luckily for you, tomorrow we're actually gonna go camping. So be grateful that we're going there tomorrow. So, is there any questions? Yes, Mom. Should we pack up now? Yeah, we should right now. Before it's too late to go. Wait, Mario, what are we doing at the park? IDK. Just don't mention it. Right, seekers, or acting like the usual selves. We should let me get out of here, this area. Fine by me. I'm gonna go in there. On your mark, get set. Go! Bomb lands. Let me go down now. Ouch. Hey Gus, yeah, I challenge you to go up there and slide along. Are you sure that's safe? Yes, it is safe, so go on. Okay. Okay, there we go. Mario, this is not how you set things up. Too bad, Gus. Ooh. Are you okay, bud? Bomb, I risk it. Got some CPR. Yeah, good point. Okay, I'm awake. Why would you push me? Well, I didn't do anything. I'm sorry, I have magical powers. Oh, come on. Sorry about you two. Well, let's have another race, but you two have to race. Mario, this is not even fair. Whatever. Okay. On your marks, get set. Okay. Go! Bomb wins. Gus, are you okay? But Gus, are you okay? Gus? Okay, I have to get CPR for him. No, I'm alive. Okay, so get out of the jail. Oh, I guess this is why I got lost. This isn't fair. Okay, are you ready, Gus? Not necessarily. Well, good, because you're going to face one of your biggest fears. Okay, Mario, you should stop now. Nope, I'm not stopping. Wait, what the? Why are you doing this? Because I'm going to give you, I'm giving you to not face you. Oh, I guess. Oh dear. Oh, this is the wrong way, Mom. Your turn, Bomb. Okay, yeah, this is going really good as I expected. Okay, yeah. You know what? Since you did it to me, Mario, I'm going to do this. See? How do you feel now? Not good. Exactly. Okay, let's get them out. Okay, Mom, you can get out. Oh, I guess Dad got Mario out. Probably too chunky. I guess. Yeah, Mario? Should you know what I'm thinking right now? Oh, heck yeah. So this is just testing, right? Yeah, this is just testing. Okay. Bomb, are you ready for this? Yeah? Okay. We'll swing that way. Oh, are you okay, Mom? Yeah. Don't do that again. Guys, you want to go to the pool? You better just read both of our minds. Well, at least we're going to the beach. I mean, look at this view. This is going to be a great one. Yeah. Oh, you please don't force me to go into the water. Nope. Oh, it's actually kind of nice. See? Are you enjoying it? Yes. Okay. Oh my. What? No. But that's what you get. Yeah. See? How does that feel? Not good. Exactly. So don't do that to me ever again. Okay. Look at Mario. This is not funny, guys. I'm practicing breathing underwater. I'm gonna throw myself up there. It's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna go back to the basketball hoop.